Okay, we made it. And actually, I have another 5 feet I can go. I'm sure I do. So I'm easily over here. Only thing is, I'm so close to the roof. Probably gonna have to go up more because I don't want to hit the roof down here. I'm really close. So I'll have to go up more and then swing in really slow so I can reach it. And now that we're right here, we can see that this one right here is missing. In fact, that one right there is missing a chunk off it too, right there. And then we have one that's sliding out right there. So all in all, I can see we're going to have a few replacements here, which is no surprise. I'm going to go down, and actually I don't like the looks of that one over there either. I'm going to go down and cut some slate. These are, I think they're 6 by 12s. I'm not quite sure they are, 6 by 12. And to get the honeycomb look, you have to put that angle on there, which I have a template down there. I'll just find an old one. And then some are just straight. So like over there, that's just a straight one if I go over and do that. So let's bring up a few straight ones. We'll bring the slate cutter, a straight bucket, slate bucket of tools. And let's see what we can do here. We might actually remove, who knows, we might remove this whole area and just put new in. I mean, sometimes it's just easier to do that, especially when you're looking at, I mean, these are like 150 years old, I think. And these were probably not the high end ones. So now I did redo this top layer. You can see I did a bunch right in here. And the whole bottom edge was redone too. That was, had replaced boards, there was damage there. And then there's other areas you can tell I have several new ones. There was a lot of replacement. Like here's an area. Those are all new. And then other areas right here. These are all old. You can see they're getting really worn. Okay, let's go get some slate ready. And I think we can do it from here without moving the lift.